Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google account security settings to a new Gmail step by step clearly. To begin transferring your Google account security settings to a new Gmail, start by opening your web browser. Sign in to your existing Google account. Once logged in, navigate to the Google account settings homepage. From there, click on the security option in the left-hand menu. In the security section, take note of any important security settings, such as two-step verification and backup codes. If you have two-step verification enabled, ensure that you have your security keys or authentication app ready. Next, open a new tab and sign out of your current Google account. Now, create a new Gmail account by visiting the Gmail sign-up page. Fill in the required information, such as your name and desired email address. Once you complete the registration, you will be prompted to verify your phone number. After verification, sign in to your newly created Gmail account. Return to your original Google account settings in the first tab. Go back to the security section and review your security settings. If you were using two-step verification, go back to your new Gmail account. Enable two-step verification in your new Google account settings. Follow the prompts to set up your authentication method, just as you did with your old account. Next, check for any backup options, like recovery phone numbers or email addresses. Make sure to add these recovery options in your new Gmail account. If you had any security keys, register them with your new account as well. Once you've reviewed and set all your security preferences, log out of both accounts. Relog into your new Gmail account to confirm that all settings have been properly transferred. Now you're all set with your new Gmail, equipped with enhanced security features from your previous. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.